So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the streaks of daily problem solving on LeetCode. You can see currently this streak is set to 0, and if you are facing the problem that it is not increasing even if you are solving questions daily on LeetCode. So all you need to do is to just simply all you need to do is to just simply solve this problem. This is a daily problem which updates daily, and to maintain a streak you need to solve the daily problem that appears on the top of the list options. Other than that, if you solve all other problems and expect that the streaks would begins, so it's not possible. The streaks would only occur when you always solve the problem that are on the daily problem section, which is on the top of the list. Once you solve this, like say if I solve this problem, submit this, now you're gonna see that my zero streak is going to be increase by 1. Now you can see here I have completed the streak 1 day, which means if I solve the problem that is on the daily problem section, I have got a streak. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.